The key here that I'm getting at is you don't have to add oils. The oils are naturally in the foods. When you start adding oils, that's when the calories start to add up. 9 calories in every gram of oil compared to only 4 calories in every gram of carbohydrate. And where things get really bad is if it's an animal-derived fat. Yeah, lard is not vitamin L.
This holds true for olive oil and coconut oil. I know that you and I in the past have spoken about the differences between those two.
Well, yeah, and they do differ. One of the things to look at with oils, and let's say you're buying a commercial product. You went to the store, you got a vegan lasagna, and you're wondering how healthy is it, how unhealthy is it? Well, if it's vegan, it's got a huge advantage. There is no animal product in it. So there's no cholesterol, there's no animal fat. Great. If they tried to create the mouthfeel for that frozen lasagna dish using coconut oil and palm oil are really pretty much exceptions in the plant world in that they're pretty high in saturated fat. They're not as bad as butter, but they're going to raise your